Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these language translation earbuds for reading purposes. Once we will open the case, we have the instruction manual right here and we see the proper main unit, okay? It comes in this carrying case and it has a USB Type-C port to charge them up, okay? As you can see, these are the proper earbuds. They go over your ears. Like this, okay? Which I think that it's nice. They fit really nice, and we need to download an application to use the translating functions, which I think that it's really nice. I already have downloaded the application. Actually, I have it right here on my cell phone. This is it, and we can have different ways of translation. As you can see, this is the main screen. We have a simultaneous interpretation, photo translation, touch translation, and even external translation, which I think that it's really nice, okay? In simultaneous interpretation, we have a kind of mode that I give an earbud to the other person, and that way that other person speaks, and the application will translate it to me in the language that I choose, which I think that it's really nice. Or we can also have external translation, which I think that it's nice. Someone have the cell phone can, well, talk to you in a different language and it will record it. Okay, let's test it out. We can also double click the headset so we can speak.
Right now I'm speaking in Spanish, and through the hearing aids it will be translated and it will come out from the phone in English or K. It seems to me that it is quite a parent function. Because if you can travel or go somewhere else and any reason can understand you, you simply select the language you want to translate it into and the application will do it by itself. We also have to have a consideration that we have to speak clearly so that the application to translate what we are saying. Because well we know that the application used artificial intelligence to be able to translate it. So it is quite interesting to me. In general I find them quite comfortable. So parents, it's interesting that you can translate what you say through the app, and overall I really like them. They are made of excellent quality and I highly recommend them until later.